bag passionate, welcome back. Okay, I just received this, and that's why this video is made like this. I'm going to unbox it because, as you can tell, the box got little damages. You can see all along. I don't think it's major, but my Chronopost agent, we made a request. We noted that it got yes, a break. So let's see, and that's why I want to unbox it right now, because if I have to make another claim. So let's discover what I ordered. I ordered this on the website 24S. And let's discover together. This is my receipt. I don't know if it was like that. And oh, look how cute it is. Oh, French work-life balance. Le métro. It's like a scene in the metro in France. Oh, cute. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at this. Et hop là. And so, on the website you can ask for an ecological, now it's not the word, a green packaging or the Parisian packaging. I'm sorry guys, I have ordered the Parisian packaging because it's the really first time I heard this name. So let's see in what it consists. So, oh my god, it's huge, it's really huge. So, yes, let me put this away. Okay, so, sorry guys. So, I will put like this. My apologies for this. So, you've got a traditional shopping bag, I think. Yes, it's the traditional shopping bag. And inside, I have some tissues, and I have this. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, look. The bottom is designed with the most important monument of Paris, the Eiffel Tower, la Tour Eiffel, le Bon Marché, Notre Dame. Yes, really cute, really cute. And so, as you can tell by the dust bag, I have ordered something from Marc Jacobs. I hope I pronounce it correctly. Marc Jacobs in French. It came in a color, oh my god, you maybe know I have to have it. So I ordered this bag. It was a bit hard to find it in France, but 24S got it, and I got a reduction, a price reduction, thanks to the handbagger's wife, because she has done a tiny information on YouTube, and she was speaking for the American version of 24S. I go on the French website, and we have also another code, but it works, so I got a reduction on the bag. So thank you, Erin. And I got, without further ado, let's see if it is so also cute and dreamy like all your unboxing. And yes, it's cute, it's cute. It's really cute. So I got the tote bag, the Marc Jacobs tote bag, the small size in the Regal Orchid. I pronounce in French because in English I think you say Regal Orchid, but in French we say Regal Orchid. And look how stunning this bag is. Oh my god, the color is insane. I just check if everything is okay. because I saw some video on YouTube, they have some problem on the stitching, so let me check. Other thing. The leather is really nice to touch, really, really nice. Okay, there's some dent on the leather here. You see? I don't know if you can check, but there's some dent. Yes, there's some dent on the leather. Yes, it's still nothing major. I think it's like the bag was placed. Okay. Yes, the stitches are good. I have no, so let's say, but yes, the color is insane. Yes. The leather is really smooth. Really, really smooth. I just, yes. Okay, and I am picky. I can tell I am picky, so, yes. So, the zip, yes, the zip is really easy to use. And yes, the inside. So, it comes with a strap. Okay, I will... Oh my god. It's really well wrapped. Really, really, oh my god. I've got a bunch of paper. It's and wow, that's the biggest silicate bag I see in my life. I used to see tiny silicate, but oh my god, this one is amazing. So, I put there. Okay, so, and here, now it seems to be okay. It seems to be okay. The leather is amazing. Oh my god, it's really soft and, wow, really. Like butter, really like butter, and also, and wait, I also got this something. Yes, it's some, yes, it's carton, yes, and oh, the inside is so cute. The inside is really cute. So you got a main compartment, and here you got oh, I got another one. Sorry, I got the... Okay, so, and you got this flat pocket in textile, really nice, with the corner are in leather, and you got this mini pocket here, Marc Jacobs. Oh, and here you got, okay, I think it's the identification of a bag, yes, I presume. Or the care booklet, or yes. Why I have ordered this bag? You all understand, because it's purple. Well, at the very beginning, I wanted to buy the Longchamp Foulonné tote that you can see on the screen. And this bag is available in several colors, and I called Paris as they produce some lilac bag, and Paris answered me first that a lilac version of this tote will be released. And finally, no, I got confirmation from my two boutiques in Avignon and Aix-en-Provence, and no, this bag will not be released in lilac apparently, so that's why I ordered the Marc Jacobs one, and I do not regret, because I really find it super cute and nice. When I heard of this one, and I think it was so cute to have a tote bag in leather in lilac, I grabbed this one. In France, this bag retailed for 450 €, and thanks to the promotional code, I only paid 373 15 €, so 10%. Okay, I got a 10% discount. I do not pay the shipping because it was above 200 €, so yes, I'm happy to have it. Well, The stitching are good, the inside is correct. Yes, look, oh my god, it's really generous in space. Oh, the color inside is also really cute. Okay, correct. I unwrap the strap, so the strap is removable and you got two shiny hooks, really nice. I do not love gold hardware, but this bag only exists with gold hardware, and it is written Marc Jacobs on both hooks, and they work, yes, really nicely. And here you've got a magnetic button, and they got the idea to put another magnet in here, so this part of the bag stay there. I don't think if I will let it like this, or I just put this inside like this. And yes, the hook for the strap are inside on the side. The bag is not structured at all. As you can see, when I took it, it's like very slouchy. It's okay, I thought it was like that. And here on the side, you see the bag goes like this. And yes, you clearly, yes, you understand what I'm meaning. It does not fit like this, but nothing major. I am just in love for the color. The color is really insane. And they have done the first version, and the name was Orchid Haze, Orchid Haze in French, sorry. And it was really light like pastel, but this one is a real lavender color, and yes, the color is insane. For that, for this point, and I have to be honest, I ordered this bag just because of the color. And the bag is only in leather, so yes, well, I'm really going to get this. The style is nice. The style is like I have imagined and see on pictures. It's really nice. And yes, the only thing concerning the strap, oh, the strap is also adjustable. How it works, it's not like I prefer, because as you can see, this piece of leather is a bit too wide, so yes, I think when I'm going to use it, she will go like this and I will have that result. And yes, I'm not a big fan of it. It's not a major problem because, as you know, I'm more a top handle person, so I think I will carry this bag like this. I'm 100% sure. And if not, if I need to carry it, I have to show you something I ordered for my fossil bag that I really love. And I've got this strap for this summer because I can easily wear it like that, but for the winter I need a larger and longer strap. So I found this strap in my bag shop where I'm living, because it got plenty of accessories, and I got this one. And look how gorgeous purple it is. It's silver hardware. Wow! And I love it. Oops, sorry, my bad. And I love this strap, really cute. So look how magical it is. And okay, so you know it's gold hardware, but since the hook are inside the bag, it's really not a problem, and the zip closure is also inside the bag, so no one see. And look this, I am in love. I really love this thicker strap, and I can go like this. I will make more shot, no worry. And oh my god, I like it so much. Of course, I can adjust it and wear it short on crossbody, sorry, not only on the shoulder, crossbody, and yes, I am super happy. And as I told you, nobody see the hook, the golden hook, so this part in silver is okay. I am in love. I'm so happy this strap can go on several of my bags, and wow, I think I pay 15 euro for that, so and I love the style. I really love the style. Okay guys, of course I will make a review of this bag when I will use it several times and see how the leather reacts to the use, and yes, it's really smooth leather, and my fossil too, and it's quite good quality. Just a comparison of purple. So this is a strong purple, and this is so Regal Orchid, and you can tell that this one is more lavender tone, and this one is really a dark purple. So voila. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. And stay tuned because more video will come. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe. Subscribe if you want to hear English with a strong French accent, but you love fashion and you love bags and you want to see funny bags. Subscribe. Have a great day. Bye guys.